Struggling with academic writing? The free essay generator is here to help. Our cutting-edge AI technology takes the hassle out of essay writing, providing you with accurate and well-structured essays in minutes. Whether you're a student facing a tight deadline or a writer seeking inspiration, our tool is designed to simplify your essay creation process. Key features: essay generation, research, and write your essays quickly, saving time and effort. Scholarly sources: access credible and reliable sources to enhance your essay's credibility. MLA/APA citations: ensure proper citations in your essays with MLA and APA formatting styles. User-friendly interface: our tool is intuitive and easy to use, even for those who are not tech-savvy. AI-powered excellence: partnering with Texturo AI. We've harnessed the power of artificial intelligence to create a tool that meets your academic writing needs. After rigorous testing and research, we proudly present a product that takes the stress out of essay writing when you're juggling multiple tasks. Frequently asked questions: what is the website that writes essays for you free? The free essay generator is the perfect solution when you need an essay written for free. It creates fully fledged essays, complete with a title page, citations, and a reference list. Who writes essays for free? While friends and siblings can help, an AI-powered essay generator offers faster and conflict-free assistance. You can modify the generated text to meet your requirements and reflect your personal touch. Is it okay to use free essay websites? Absolutely. Using free essay websites as a supporting tool is acceptable as long as you contribute your own thoughts and reflections to your written work. Can I trust online essay writers? Yes, online essay writers can be trusted. However, it's recommended to review and refine the generated text, adding personal touches and avoiding potential plagiarism concerns. Choose efficiency and quality. Why? Spend hours researching and writing when you can rely on our free essay generator? With its user-friendly interface, citation support, and AI-powered technology, the tool is an indispensable asset for various essay types, including literature reviews, research papers, and more. Let us help you streamline your academic writing and achieve excellence effortlessly. Save time and create exceptional essays with the free essay generator. Summary: the free essay generator is a user-friendly AI-powered tool designed to streamline the essay writing process. Whether you need to write descriptive, argumentative, narrative, persuasive, compare and contrast, or expository essays, this tool provides accurate, well-structured content in a matter of minutes. Backed by reliable sources and proper MLA/APA citations, our tool is your key to efficient and high-quality essay creation. With the free essay generator, you can elevate